In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a repeater in Wix. Whether you're setting up a professional portfolio, a small business website, or a personal blog, repeaters are a powerful feature that can help you display dynamic content on your site seamlessly. We'll walk through the steps together so you'll feel confident in adding and customizing repeaters in no time. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor where you have your site open. You can access this by logging into your Wix account and selecting the website you'd like to edit. Once you are in the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, ensuring you can see the various tools and options on the left-hand side of your screen. Remember, the Wix editor is a powerful tool packed with features, so it's useful to get comfortable with navigating it. Next, direct your attention to the left side of the editor window and locate the plus icon. This is the Add button, your gateway to a wide variety of elements that can enhance your website's functionality and design. Clicking on this Add button will open up a menu filled with different components you can incorporate into your site, such as text boxes, images, and, importantly for today's task, lists and repeaters. Hover over the list option in this menu. You'll notice that as you hover over different options, additional sub-options or features will appear. In this instance, you'll find that by hovering over list, you'll see another option labeled repeaters. This is exactly what we're looking for. Once you've hovered over repeaters, you'll be presented with several pre-designed repeater layouts. These layouts are designed to save you time and help you maintain a consistent look across your site. Choose a layout that best suits your needs and the style of your website. Consider what kind of content you want to showcase with the repeater, whether it's products, blog posts, portfolio pieces, or something else entirely. Selecting your preferred repeater layout is as simple as clicking on it. The repeater will then be added to your page, and from there you can start customizing it to fit the unique aesthetic and content requirements of your website. You can adjust colors, fonts, and images, and even connect it to a dataset to automatically populate the repeater with content. And there you have it, a functional repeater added to your Wix website in just a few straightforward steps. Take the time to explore different designs and customize them fully to ensure they complement your site's overall theme and purpose. With these repeaters, your site is set to engage visitors with dynamic, organized content. Thanks for watching and happy creating with Wix.